Paper, serving as the canvas of civilization, allows us to grasp the legacy of history and the pulse of societal progress. Yet, the extensive reliance on disposable paper has placed a significant ecological burden on our planet, contributing to waste and environmental concerns. Currently, the eco-friendly technological revolution in the evolution of paper is underway. At this moment, we find ourselves on the brink of an eco-technology revolution, transitioning from conventional paper to ePaper. This remarkable innovation is infinitely reusable, fostering communication and collaboration, and retaining static images without the need of a power source, utilizing ambient light as normal paper does. Yet, ePaper is more than just technology. It's a declaration of commitment to a sustainable future. As we approach the eco-friendly digital revolution, ePaper is reshaping our interaction with paper pixel by pixel. Now, let's get a glimpse of the future in China. Emerging as an indispensable powerhouse in the ePaper supply chain, China contributes to over 90% of the world's ePaper displays. This dominance extends across vibrant centers like Yangzhou, Chongqing, Jian, Yiwu, Jiaxing, Anshan, Bangbu, Guiyang, and Shenzhen. Their manufacturing prowess fuels a thriving and extensive ecosystem, boasting an impressive annual output exceeding $13 billion. The digital and recyclable ePaper enables low-carbon applications, is currently empowering the digital economy and China's dual carbon strategy. ePaper, with its inherent image retention capabilities without the need for power, is given a significant position of the era, participating and contributing to digital transformation and sustainability in various industries and economy. Envision a retail landscape transformed, where hundreds of millions of ePaper shelf labels provide eco-friendly store management solutions, revolutionizing the face of modern retail. Imagine the education sector invigorated by ePaper terminals, heralding the era of intelligent education and substantially reducing paper usage. Envision express delivery boxes replaced by smart packaging using ePaper, eliminating the need for disposable paper packaging. ePaper brings vitality to digital logistics management, nurturing a culture of green tech innovation while curbing wasteful practices. Join us on our journey to the future, creating ePaper bus stop signs utilizing solar energy with zero carbon emissions. Public transportation transforms through digital tools to become more accessible and beneficial to all with improved sustainability. In the corporate landscape, ePaper technology revolutionizes how we engage in meetings. Seamlessly integrated with intelligent conferencing systems, it offers a wireless, paperless, and boundless experience. Let's delve into the healthcare sector. Smart ward signs and patient card now utilize ePaper technology to improve patient care. This dynamic transformation provides real-time information without causing light pollution, resulting in heightened patient experiences. The transformation extends to the smart factory as well. ePaper technology, coupled with indoor centimeter-level positioning, replaces conventional paper forms and work orders. This advancement lays the foundation for paperless factories and ushers in a new era of digital industrial connectivity. Planning to travel? Look no further than ePaper technology. It's the recommended display technology of the IATA electronic baggage tag standard. ePaper luggage tags, along with battery-free RF energy harvesting technology, are spearheading the future of travel. This innovation is revolutionizing the travel experience by introducing intelligent, door-to-door traveling experience solutions. April 28, 2021 was a momentous occasion, as it witnessed the launch of the ePaper Industry Alliance. Its mission is to drive innovation with ePaper technology, enhance ecosystem, establish industry standards, and raise awareness. The overarching vision is to ensure the sustainable development of the ePaper industry. The innovative products and system solutions offered by ePaper are shaping our trajectory toward a future characterized by digitization, interconnection, and recyclability. ePaper stands at the forefront of this low-carbon era, ushering us into a realm of possibilities where a limitless and paperless future awaits.